Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share garlic cheese bread recipe. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of warm milk. To that, I'll be adding 2.5 teaspoon of instant yeast, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is salt and 2 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 egg. Vegetarians, if you are skipping egg, you can add 1 extra cup of milk. Beat them well. To that I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it nicely. I'm adding 1 more cup of water. Nicely mix it. Then add the butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it nicely. It will be very sticky in the beginning. As you keep kneading, all will roll together. Nice, smooth and easy. You have to knead it for approximately 10 minutes. This will help rise the dough nicely, and also the bread will be very soft and fluffy. Now apply some oil and rest the dough. I'll be leaving it for 1.5 hours for it to rise. By then we will prepare this mix. I have taken 2 tablespoons of grated garlic and 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander. You can also take parsley or chives in this place. And then I have added 2 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper. Mix them all well. You can also add little bit of oil to make it little bit loose and smooth, so that this butter will be spreadable. Now let's check on the dough. It's nicely fermented. Now we don't need to knead a lot. Roll the dough with the rolling pin, nice and flat. On this, you please spread all this butter evenly all over the bread. This garlic flavor will be very delicious and flavorful. After spreading, you sprinkle the cheese, mozzarella cheese. I have shredded mozzarella cheese 1 cup. Spread this evenly and make small square cuts so that we can stack them one upon the other. Now we'll stack all these square pieces one upon the other and arrange them in a baking tray. I have taken ceramic casserole, nicely buttered it, grease it well and start stacking the cut squares. In any size you want, you can stack it up. Now I'll rest this for 30 minutes to rise again. See, after 30 minutes it's full in the tray. Now I'll brush with milk. This will give nice crust on top. You can also use egg wash, but I am using only milk. Now I'll be baking it on 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. See now how beautiful layers are just getting pulled apart. There is a lot of cheese and butter and garlic. It's a very delicious, soft and spongy bread. Now it is tasting time. This is the editor of our channel. You can always have it as a tea time snack or a toast and also as a dinner roll. Today we have another taster too. This is my younger one.
The taste is very nice, soft, buttery, garlicky, creamy. The crust has a crunch. The inside is very soft and tasty. Overall amazing. I really suggest you make this bread and have it with butter.
It's very tasty. Hope you all like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.